The release of the video Proffers featuring both Jenna, Ellis, and Sidney Powell are apparently not the only drama that has been taking place this week with regard to the Georgia RICO case. Not only has that matter now been figured out, we do know now, thanks to a hearing on Wednesday, that it was Misty Hampton's lawyer, one of the co-defendants, her lawyer, is who leaked those video proffers to conservative media outlets. But also, an interesting thing happened where one of the other co-defendants, not involved in the leaking of the videos, Fani Willis filed a request for the judge to revoke his bail this week. Here's what happened. The co-defendant is a man by the name of Harrison Floyd, and Mr. Floyd decided to go ahead and give an interview to a conservative media outlet where, according to Fani Willis's complaint with the judge, he proceeded to attack multiple potential witnesses in the case against him. Here is what Willis's filing said. On November 6, 2023, the defendant participated in a video recorded and widely disseminated interview on the Conservative Daily, a podcast. During the interview, the defendant discussed the facts of the case and communicated indirectly to co-defendant and witness Jenna Ellis by discussing her guilty plea in violation of conditions of release. But it wasn't just Jenna Ellis. In the complaint, Willis goes on to say that he also went after Sidney Powell, who is potentially a witness against him, definitely a witness in other parts of the case. He went after Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, who could also be called as a witness. He went after Gabriel Sterling. He went after Dan Scavino. He went after Ruby Freeman. So Harrison Floyd in this interview was just going scorched earth against every single person that could end up testifying against him, which, as Willis points out, is absolutely a condition of your bail that you have now appeared to have violated. Which, of course, if this revocation does go through, would mean that Mr. Floyd is not going to be a free man while he awaits his trial. He would, in fact, be locked up until he goes to trial. At which point, if he is convicted, he will go right back to jail. So this is a big deal for Mr. Floyd. Like, that one interview you decided to do might mean that these are your last days outside of a prison, possibly for as few as the next 5 years. You're not going to get a delay. You're not going to get to be released. You have now proven that you cannot be trusted. You were given these very strict terms. Do not violate these terms. And it appears that you did. So again, Mr. Floyd, if his bond is revoked, he is going to jail. And then once convicted, he's not going to say, okay, you get to go and hang out for 6 months at home before, we have your sentencing date. No. He will likely be remanded back to jail during that time, as it's likely that other trials will still be ongoing, and because he has proven that he can't not attack the witnesses, and there's still witnesses in other cases, he would not be allowed to go back to his house. All of that just for going on a conservative media podcast. So I hope the interview was worth it, bud, because it may be the last one you're able to give for the next half a decade. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.